Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. I hope that you had a wonderful Christmas celebration and I would like to greet you now a happy, a bright and prosperous 2023. Thank you so much for sticking with me, for supporting my work, my channel, for watching my videos and for leaving me wonderful comments. I really appreciate those feedback and I am very grateful for all of you. 2022 has been an awesome year for me in terms of what I have accomplished so far, with your help of course. There is still so much that I would like to focus on, that I'd like to improve and work on, but I am still very happy with where I am in my channel and I really look forward to the new year. Just to give you an idea of what kept me busy in the year 2022, I joined 3 swaps. These swaps were organized by Rach and Neldascrafts, and those were 2 journal swaps and a Christmas stash swap. I really enjoyed those events and I'd like to thank Rach and Neldascrafts for organizing them. I was able to make 29 journals and listed them, and I sold 28, and only one of those that I made this year did not sell. That journal is the monochromatic style, that is the grandmother's journal, and I may tweak that or I may just use it. It's still in my Etsy shop. And then for the beginning of 2023, for the month of January, my goal is to finish 3 journals. I already started making the covers and some of the pages. So this is the Sleeping Beauty. It will have 2 signatures and the cover is done. And then some of the pages are already embellished, but I will be adding more. But look at this beautiful images. The paper pad that I will be using is from Stamperia Sleeping Beauty, and I use cereal box for the cover. These are some of the pages. Some of them have pockets already, but I will be adding so much more, and of course I will still be adding more pages. So I hope to finish this in the next week. And then this is a gentleman's journal, or a journal for male. I love also the paper pad that I used, and some of the pages are done. There are no embellishments yet, but the cover is basically done. It will also have 2 signatures. And this journal will have, of course, no ribbons, no trims. I may add pockets and tucks. And then I have here the Birds and Butterfly junk journal. The cover is done, but I don't have pages yet. The base of these covers are packaging materials or cereal boxes. So there you go. These will be my projects for the month of January. And now I have some exciting news. I will be holding a giveaway. This will be my first giveaway for 2023. And this is because I am very grateful for all your support. And I would like to share with you some elements or supplies that I already have in my stash that can be used to make journals or to embellish journals. And this giveaway will start as soon as this video is up, and this is open internationally. I will be giving away 56 items that can be used for junk journaling or to make journals, to embellish journals, or for some other projects. So these are fabric that are from my stash, and laces and trims, and also embossed cardstock. These can be used to make cards or to make tags or journaling cards. So I hope that these materials or elements can inspire you to be more creative and to make something. So let me show you all this fabric, and some of them I already used for my projects, and I chose the ones that I really like, the ones that I think are beautiful, and they will be different colors, different materials or texture, but they are all very pretty and they are big, so they can make journal covers, they can make pockets, so do as you wish. So I have here some cotton fabric, polyester, something that you can use to make bohemian journals or shabby chic. And again, they are different colors, a variety of materials. If you have watched some of my videos or my journal flip through, you probably will recognize some of this fabric because I use them either as cover or as decorations. This is very pretty. Look at those appliques and this sequence. I love these. And the color is very lovely as well. This is so beautiful in person. And then I have these shades of blue. And most of these fabric are cotton. And the length or the size is good enough to make several journals. Or maybe a couple of journals if the size is 6 by 9. And then these are for embellishments. This is also very, very pretty. Look at these. Very, very pretty. And more cotton fabric. These are Indian cotton fabric. And this is huge. This one kind of like for Christmas, but you can use it for something else. Again, shades of blue. And the other colors. Now, you've probably seen this. I use this as a cover in one of my journals, I think in the early part of 2022. And then this fabric I use as cover for my fairy junk journal. That journal went to the US, found a home in the United States. So this is the cover, the fabric that I used for the cover. And this flowery fabric will be really good for a summer junk journal. And then kind of red color. Another shade of red. And this is lavender. Oh, I love this color. And then so we are now in the kind of neutral plain colors. Very pretty. And this is a peachy color. And this is a off-white or cream. And then we have some laces or trims. And if you've seen my journals, I always put some laces on the edges. And I have here the gold one, kind of in between cream and gold. So this cut is really long. I can't remember how many yards or if it's a yard, but these are beautiful. And I have a black, oh, I forgot what it's called, but it's kind of like a tassel look. Oh, anyways, you know what it's called. And then this is the white. And this purple flower. These are trims. And I think I have, yeah, there you go, pink trims. And these are the embossed cardstock. Now I have 10 different colors here. And you have seen this in my journals. I use them as an insert or journaling card or to decorate the pages. So 10 different colors. And I use the C6 embossing folder. They are beautiful, eh? You can use this to make cards. And then this is using the spell binder. Very pretty. Also one of my favorite embossing folders, and you have seen this in some of my recent journals. So again, 10 different colors. The size of this cardstock is 8 by 5.5. So there you go. These are going to a lucky person, and to join the giveaway, I have a few guidelines which are very easy. So you have to be 18 years or older. You have to be a subscriber to my channel, Neldascrafts and Inspirations. And on this video, leave a comment so you can say you are joining the giveaway, or happy holidays or happy new year, whatever you want to say. Just give me a feedback and let me know that you are joining the giveaway. If you can do all those 3 steps, then you gain 1 entry to the giveaway. If you are on Instagram and you would like another entry, you can follow me on Instagram, and I will post a giveaway post on Instagram, and you can like the post and comment on the post. So that will give you an additional entry. My Instagram account is Neldascrafts and Inspirations. If you want another entry and you are on Facebook, you can follow my Facebook page, which is also Neldascrafts and Inspirations. I will have a post on Facebook as well, and then you can comment on the post. So that will give you another entry. So there you go. These are the very simple guidelines to my first giveaway for 2023. Again, there are 56 items that can be used to make journals, to decorate journals, or to create some projects that hopefully will make you happy. So I will only be looking for one winner, and I really hope that you join, and I hope that this is something that you find exciting and interesting. Once again, the giveaway is open internationally, and it starts right now as soon as this video is up, and this will run for 2 weeks. So I will do the draw 2 weeks from today, but I will do that on a weekend, I believe. All the information will be in the description, and I will also provide my Instagram account, or the link to my Instagram account, the link to my Facebook page, and all the other information that you may need to join this giveaway. So there you go, everyone. Thank you so much for staying with me. And again, thank you so much for supporting my channel and for supporting my Etsy shop and my work. Again, if you have any questions, please do not forget to leave me a comment down below, or you can contact me. My email address is also in my description. Stay safe, everyone. Thanks again for watching. God bless you. Happy 2023. Bye now. Till next time.